Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are taking a road trip to Mount Rainier National Park. It's beautiful there, I'm telling ya. So please join me on this adventure. The first beautiful thing about this road trip is the drive. Breathtaking view just to drive there. The park is about 1.5 hours to 2 hours drive, either from Seattle or Bremerton, or 21 hours if you want to walk from Seattle. We actually departed from Bremerton and apparently we're not walking, so it's gonna take about 2 hours for us to get there. As you can see, there are a lot of trees and forests along the drive doing photosynthesis. And fortunately, it's a beautiful sunny day today, so this is perfect condition to be outside. Immerse yourself in nature, forget about who you are in that bustle and hustle life. Look for your inner peace with the help of nature. Uh-oh, it seems like I can't find that inner peace yet. We're stuck in traffic. You know what, I've had enough. I'm getting out of the car and start walking. Gotta check out what is going on in the front. This is such a long line of cars. Oh, it was nothing. It's just a long line just to get inside the gate. Alright, we got through. Back on business. I know this scenery with a lot of trees along the road that you drive is very common in the East Coast and some other states. But if you're from Los Angeles like me, this is prettier than normal. A little information about Mount Rainier National Park. It is a breathtaking wilderness area located in the state of Washington, United States. Encompassing the Majestic Mount Rainier, it is an active stratovolcano and the highest peak in the state. The national park spans over 235,000 acres of diverse landscapes, including glaciers, alpine meadows, oak-growth forests, and roaring rivers. Alright, we are here at last and the prophecy shall be fulfilled. I'm sorry, that was just a line from the Wizard of Oz. Just to express how excited I am now that we are here eventually after a long drive. A lot of people. Oh, look at that, there's a quote on the stairs. The most luxuriant and the most extravagantly beautiful of all the alpine gardens I've ever beheld in all my mountaintop wandering. By John Muir. Nice quote. You see that snow-capped mountaintop right there? That is Mount Rainier. Holy mama, this place is beautiful. Look at that, a squirrel. People are getting around it to take a picture, but he doesn't care. What's he looking at? Look how happy he is having lunch. Just for your information, it is advised that you don't feed these wild animals when you see them, because they might develop the habit to depend on humans to feed them, and lose the instinct to look for food by themselves and survive in nature. It feels like the nature is getting into me already. I can smell the grass and the soil, I can feel the breeze in my face, I can hear the trees rubbing against each other, I can hear the birds chirping. Established in 1899, Mount Rainier National Park is one of the oldest national parks in the United States and holds a significant place in the country's conservation history. It is renowned for its awe-inspiring natural beauty, diverse ecosystems, and numerous recreational opportunities. A big bird. The centerpiece of the park, Mount Rainier, stands at an elevation of more than 14,000 feet, or 4,392 meters, and is often shrouded in snow and ice year-round. Look at this beautiful scene in front of us! There's a stream of water. This is like a piece of art here. That was really beautiful, wasn't it? The mountain's massive glaciers, including the Embark Glacier and the Carbon Glacier, are among the largest in the contiguous United States. Mount Rainier's volcanic activity has shaped the landscape, creating deep valleys, deep cliffs, and stunning alpine vistas. The park is home to diverse flora and fauna. Its lower elevation forests are dominated by towering evergreens, such as Douglas firs, western hemlocks, and red cedars. Above the tree line, alpine meadows burst into a riot of wildflowers during the summer months, attracting hikers and natural enthusiasts. The park is also a habitat for various wildlife species, including black bear, elk, mountain goats, and the rare Pacific fisher. The park offers a wide range of activities for outdoor enthusiasts. Hiking is a popular pursuit, with over 260 miles of trails winding through the park, catering to different skill levels and interests. He likes me. He misses Bob. Saying goodbye to the hiking trails, we are now at the Reflection Lake, which is 5-minute drive from the visitor center. The water here is so still, no wonder why it's called Reflection Lake. Look at that perfect reflection of Mount Rainier. Alright, there's a short trail here. We're gonna take this trail to get closer to the lake. Oh wow, it is so serene here. I can finally find my inner peace. A lot of people gathering here. I guess this is the best spot for that Instagram picture. Sorry. With an elevation of approximately 4,900 feet or 1,490 meters, Reflection Lake provides a serene and reflective surface that perfectly mirrors the towering peak of Mount Rainier. The lake is known for its calm waters, especially during the early morning hours when the surface is often glassy and undisturbed, creating an exquisite mirror-like reflection of the mountain. Alright, we're heading back now. It was really one of the best road trips ever. We can still see Mount Rainier along the drive back. It's pretty cool. We end the night with hotspot for dinner. And this is the end of the video. Thank you everyone for watching, and remember to subscribe